Hey everyone, the WIN Center located in room 275 at West Hills College Lemoore has been holding the Jobspeaker workshop on Wednesdays throughout the months of August and September 2018. At this workshop, students are guided through the process of creating a Jobspeaker profile that can generate a resume for them so that they may begin to search for jobs online. When searching on the website's job board, students will find recommendations based on their skill sets. During the process, if you find any jobs that you are interested in, you can begin to apply for them right away. For more information on this workshop, visit the WIN Center at West Hills College Lemoore located in room 275.